Kung papagaling ang fourth na tumapol. Going to the first jump, ladies and gentlemen, for Rhea and Tequila. 360 barrel. Going to the third one. 360 barrel. Grabbing the flag. Iguan ang flag. Relax na kay Tequila. Naka-warm up na siya kanina. Nice one, Rhea. Second jump. Nice one. He dropped down flag. Nice one. 50 seconds. Going to the finish line for the last barrel, ladies and gentlemen. Rhea and Tequila. That's 57.67 seconds. Palakpakan naman. And our third, all the way from Kiliog, riding the horse, Ingram. Kezia Rabonal. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Grabe kapaspas na may pinaslide-slide si Ingram. Kuyawang Ingram, boy. Alright, next one. Paspas kayo na kay Gala. First run, ladies and gentlemen. Palapakan naman dyan. First jump, going to the second barrel. Going to the third one. 360 barrel landed. And right now, grabbing the flag. Consistent pag-abot ang paspas kayo. Nice grab sa flag. Going to the second one. Alright. Okay, butan. Nice. Oy! Last one. There you go. Going to the finish line. 46 seconds. Last barrel to the finish line. Kezia Rabonal. Kezia Rabonal. 52.10 seconds.
52.104. Clean run.
Next runner all the way from Baungon, Bukidnon, riding the horse, Nomad. Ladies and gentlemen, Attorney General Hamaka. Ready now, ladies and gentlemen, Attorney General Hamaka, riding the horse, Nomad. First 360 the attorney going to the bending pole. Pas-pas kayo si Nomad. First na jump ni Nomad. And the Attorney General Hamaka going to the second barrel, third barrel. And right now, relax na to grab the flag. There you go, second jump for attorney. Alright, medyo gilaos kamay si Nomad pa kay Gala. Parang kauli-on siya kamay. To the finish line, to the finish line. 50 seconds to the finish line. There you go. 53.143.